I've got the Scentsy Whiffs box for March. So if you want to see what great surprises they have in store for us this month, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Ben aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. This is a monthly box from the Scentsy family. They do all different things in here. So this is called their Whiffs box. It's about $25 a month. But like last month was like laundry supplies. So there were some great scented laundry supplies. So it's not just going to be the wax melts and things of that nature. You're going to get all kinds of interesting things in this box. All right, here is your sneak peek. Now, I just told you that, and I'm seeing mostly wax melts in this box. But like I say, different things at different times. So this says, some bunny is hopping by. And we have 3 different wax melts. We have wild cherry and sakura. It smells nice. Lemon lime fizz. Oh, Chloe will be so excited. That does. It smells like lemons. It smells like lemon pound cake, actually. And sunshine mango. So these last 2 are definitely scents I would have picked. The first one I might not have, because there's a little bit more of a musk scent. And if I see sakura, I think there's going to be some musk scent. Oh, this is like fresh mangoes right here. This is my favorite out of the 3. We also have oh my gosh, we have a Scentsy Buddy clip. This is this is a scented little clip. And wait till you see this guy. This is one of my favorite all-time Disney characters. It is Stitch. He smells amazing. There's a little thing so you can clip him wherever you want to clip him to. And this, I think it unscrews. I don't really know. I don't know how to open this. I'm sure there's instructions somewhere. But look at how cute he is. Ooh, what is that scent? Does it say? It doesn't say, but he smells divine. So that's like a real score. Like, that's something I totally was eyeballing, but I was like, oh, I'm already getting the box. Like, I really can't afford to get more. Then we have like one of those air fresheners you can hang in your car in Berry Sweet. Can't really smell it through here. We have a Summer Berry Melon perfumed sachet. I can kind of smell that through there. I like that. It's like a nice fresh melon scent. And then their spring summer catalog. So this just goes over all of the products that they have, gives you more information. They've got some cute wax melts. Let me wax melters. So there's some great things there. I'm going to have down, ooh, look at that. I love that one right there. Ooh, I like these too. I'm going to have a link down below to the gal that I get my Scentsy from, and that's Stacy. She's been a great supporter of the YouTube channels, and so when I saw she had her own Scentsy business, I actually got my first Scentsy from a party she had, and she keeps asking me to have a party, but I don't really know that many people, and she's like, you can do a Facebook one. I still don't know that many people, so if you all would be interested in my hosting one on Facebook, I don't really use Facebook either, but I do have an account. Let me know, and I'll let her know. Sure, we'll do one, but I don't want to do one if I don't know anybody to invite. So if y'all are interested, let me know and we'll get this going. All right, that is my Scentsy box for the month of March. Love, love, love everything. I love the fresh scents in there. These are a great deal. To get 3 of these in a box, that's a great deal. But this little guy, that's like over the top adorable right there. And he smells so good. Oh, I don't even know where I'm going to put him. He might have to go in my office, though. Yeah, he might. He smells so good. All right. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.